How you walk in rooms and how you walk anywhere says a lot about it, man. It says a lot about your confidence. See, as soon as you step into a room, how you walk determines how people are going to perceive you. I want them to perceive you as this confident, high-status dude. So today, I'm going to show you how to walk. Let's hop into this. Number one, you got to line up all three. What that means is that your head, your back of your shoulders, and your butt need to all be lined up into one. Imagine as if you carry an imaginary wall behind you, and these three can never fall apart. Most people walk around like this, and this off the rip ruins everything. It doesn't matter if you do anything else right. If you're walking around like this, you look like a dweeb, bro. So grab a wall, stand up against the wall, and line up all three. You're gonna feel the immediate difference, and also, it's almost like a power that surges inside of you. Once you have all three, you'll stand taller, you'll look more dominant, and overall, more confident. Number two, block the view. See, a lot of people, when they're walking in a crowded room, the first thing that they'll do is that they'll start looking down. Why? Because they feel awkward. They don't want to be making contact with anybody. Look at the difference that this makes. Find something that makes you feel comfortable. Obviously, a pair of frames would do this. And now you can do the same walk, and you don't have to be making eye contact, but you look just as confident because you're blocking the view. That's why I love frames. I've always said it. A pair of glasses is the strongest and most useful accessory in your wardrobe. It has the functionality of protecting you against the sun while also making you look more confident. You look like the man, especially when you're wearing J Black. These are our Spectres, one of my favorite pairs. Look at the subtle details. Italian handmade acetate. Polarized lenses. You look good. They're stylish. And on top of that, they're like your secret weapon. You walk into any room, you're the man. You're the man. If I were you, I'm going to recommend two of my favorite pairs. The Spectres. This is kind of like your more stylish, on-trend stuff. This looks great. And I would pick up a pair of Aviators. Aviators, this is your Tom Cruise feel, right? This is the old school cop look. Bro, Aviators will never go out of style. Aviators will always look good. And we just restocked our gold Aviators. This is the blue light, but they also come in a sunglass format, which is what I would recommend. The sunglass format is what protects the eyes. So now you're looking like the man. There's a bit of mystery behind you, bro. If you guys buy either of these or both, I would buy both because I'm about to give you 20% off. Look, I never do this. The store is not at 20% off. So that means only the Spectres and only the gold Aviators that we just restocked, these sell out like hotcakes, bro. Both of these will be at 20% off for today only. I'm going to have it linked down below. 24-hour sale. That means in 24 hours, the offer is over. You missed the boat. And why would you miss the boat? Bro, it is summer. Shoot, I would pick up both pairs, whether you and for your girl or both for you. Be a little bit selfish, bro. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. 3, sway your shoulders. See, when you walk, I don't want you to be looking like a robot. Now you just look awkward like you're trying to be somebody you're not. No, bro, relax, right? So yeah, all 3 points need to be connecting. But you can sway your shoulders a bit. Now you're the man, right? When you do this, a couple things happen. One, you relax the frame. It looks like you're comfortable walking into any room. You're the man, right? You're the GOAT. You walk into that room. 2, you take up more space. See, when you sway, it's like you're sending a signal that you need space, right? You're taking up the space that you require. This innately makes you look more comfortable, and that comfort is what gives you the confidence. See, most men in a crowded situation would feel awkward and walk awkward. Not you. Couldn't be you, bro. Number 4, take your time. See, this is crucial. It doesn't matter if you do everything right if you're just zooming past everybody, because, you look like you're in a hurry, mainly because you probably feel awkward. People know. They're not stupid, right? Again, when you're swaying, when you're walking, right? Take your time. Whatever you got to do, wherever you got to be, it can wait. It's going to be there tomorrow. It's going to be there in 20 minutes. It's going to be there in an hour. The point is, take your time when you walk. That shows confidence. That shows intent in every step. It looks like you're a man under control. And ultimately, number 5, smile. This is crucial, right? You walk into any room, you're relaxed, you're swaying, you're upright, you're making that eye contact, you look relaxed, it looks like you're in control. Smile, right? You want to have that friendly side to you, right? You see a girl, give her a nice grin. You see your buddy, you'll give her a little head nod. That friendliness adds to the confidence, as if like, why is this dude so confident and relaxed walking in this crowded room? That's what you need. That's what shows. That's a high status dude. This dude's been around the block. This dude, it's not his first rodeo. That's what I want you to be, bro. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to pick up a pair of frames, bro. You need that mystery in your life. And at 20% off, again, only one day. This isn't going to last. If I were you, I'd click that link down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.